Everybody, on behalf of Harvey Weinstein, between the state of California and the state of New York, almost 20 women have come out and accused him of some form of a sex crime. And at the end of the day, from 2017, that New York Times article, until today, he's convicted of one person. There's a vibrant appeal going on in California that Jennifer Bongine is handling, where they did not let evidence of exculpatory evidence in, besides all the Molyneux and every other. So we're very confident that that appeal will be successful. So everyone just needs to understand, Harvey Weinstein became the poster boy for the Me Too movement, and after almost 20 women came out in courthouses across the nation, there's one conviction. One. And that conviction that happened in this courthouse will be appealed to the level as his last conviction was, which was overturned. So this is not over. However, Mr. Weinstein started out with a 23-year prison term when we left here on March 11th of 2000. Those numbers are now out the window. Of course, Mr. Weinstein's disappointed. He has maintained his innocence from the day I met him in 2019. In 2020, when I sat next to him when the verdict came in of guilty on Mimi, he said to me, "How could this happen? I'm innocent, I'm innocent." He basically said the same thing yesterday to Mr. Sabella, who sat next to him. On. So the bottom line is, we're going to go see Mr. Weinstein right now in the back. But what's the takeaway from today? After 3 trials and 20 women, you have one conviction here. One. So maybe everyone was wrong to put Harvey Weinstein's face on the picture of the Me Too posters that went up all over the world 5 and 6 years ago. And maybe he was the most successful producer of his generation, and he may have been a tough boss, he may have been a tough negotiator, but he wasn't a sexual predator the way everyone tried to make him out. And you know, jealousy is a horrible thing. We've all felt it at some point or another in our lives. And people who want to bring down people on the top of the mountain sometimes really skew the facts and distort the facts and prostitute the facts so that they can get what they want. Let's take down a giant. And we saw it happen over, and they did. They did. Mr. Weinstein is in jail right now. They succeeded with putting his face on the posters of Me Too, and now 36 jurors across the United States of America, this great country, have heard all of the evidence, and you got one conviction. Today I would use the word exhaustion about Mr. Weinstein. I can tell you, for this team, who I absolutely love and adore, our emotional roller coaster ride over the last 2 months. But we all knew we were going home to our families. This was his life. This is the first death penalty case I've ever tried, because Mr. Weinstein is 73 years old, and if he got convicted of everything here, there would be a substantial sentence and he would die in prison. So that's why I missed everything, and we all did, everything in our personal lives, and invested everything in this case over the last 3 months. But for Mr. Weinstein, it is his life.